cái đó là chú bạn khá khá nên là gọi là cái chủ đàn là người ta Dr. Kevin, no?
The agenda number 7, special speech by Dr. Kevin Lachape.
So amazing to see our Karen here. Everywhere the Karen go, they garner favor. We've gone to Washington, D.C. U.S. Capitol Police always has been awed by the Karen, and we saw that here with security helping us out to come in here.
Waginyopu lede bulala batay aku yon no pelele hiwa sebeto wa babu bada biber pelele di depa hiwa taple mu temati kita wa ba minyak kwa trewa di nya do pay siko aku tadi apa mi wala basue aku tadi bisiblu baku bana nasiblu saya.
What amazing job glorified did here singing the national anthem.
Ni tala la kemala glorify naga tahu yo da dok li tahu la kemala.
And she sang the words through perilous times, and my eyes teared up because of those in Pathule still suffering under the corrupt brutal regime of the Burma generals.
Di benar bu tak tahu itu ni dah tahu itu mesti lo batam ni dah, batam ni mesti nak kita buat dulu. Kau biar cuba kau buat ni tu tak telepan ma nama kau di cuba kau buat.
President George W. Bush carried with him a God-given purpose to champion freedom and democracy around the world.
Kau George W. Bush mi pada gala kesaya hiyo kado tudo ta le ta teble le ke somuso ya wedo hin no lo do maso da hokku cuba kau buat lo hokku do bi jadi lo.
He and Laura have strong love for the Karen people.
Awedo Laura eba pagnya do ma le tile de golo.
The Karen have a lot in common with President Bush because they're one of the most freedom-loving people I've ever met.
Kau loli damu kia eba pagnya ko ni kau lo chiwa da pagnya to li eta muda ku eta teble.
President Bush said this: Americans are a free people who know that freedom is the right of every person and that the future of every nation.
Kau just tapi putih dari ta teble ni kau pukela ago. Do ta teble ni do mi kwa tegap adalah ke umum ni bawa ko ni no. Da suminya atau bolo.
He said the liberty we prize is not America's gift to the world, but instead it's God's gift to humanity.
Ta teble awai ni demi le America he ho ku ba. Ni mi de kon ni kesai yuwa ga ni ti lo pa lo hi wa da wa ko le ti le to li do ada to da bi ni no.
He said America is a nation with a mission, and that mission comes from our most basic belief.
Do ko America pedu do chi kot ni ni da ta ma da khai le ka pa ma da le ka pa no lo ta teble ka kwetaya.
Spreading freedom and democracy around the world. There's no stronger of a people that I've seen that embrace those ideals like the Karen. President Bush and Laura led the way for Karen coming here to the United States. Karen around the United States thrive in every community, garnering much love and favor from every community they live in. Our prayer and commitment is to obtain freedom and democracy for Kwahule and others around the world that desire democracy.
Ini tu siko perwetele hawu ba phedi pha pati no siko pakotule itu do ko do ta table do democracy ato atra.
Thank President Bush for all he has done for our incredible freedom-loving Karen.
Te do siblu ko George W. Bush da awe ta e ba ko pa kenyo kelu do master itu do ko do ta table ta chuple.
We're so grateful for Karen people that strive for freedom always around the world.
Apa siblu siko pa kenyo itu ba ulo ko do be wen do itu do ta table ta chuple su apa kelu mi do la uda sudah lo.
May God bless President Bush and Laura and our Karen in Kafule that continue to suffer under the brutality of the corrupt and brutal Burma regime.
Mau kesaya isowe di pa kenyo le ulo ko tule do kado ta de we de phala yu berdoa ke to la asfati mana mana ma ko da chibo ko pula ko bi da pa ko ni ti. Thank you very much.